Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning on the Discord. We hit home runs with both of them, giving us 40% plus on the day as opportunities within its run. And the S&P 500 index and the overall market was down. Portfolios were down overall, but we were still making money through the process. And that's what we look for, opportunities every single day. If that's something you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. So this was a comment from one of the investors that is a Patreon member, a Discord member, as well as part of the community here as a subscriber and viewer. And this is what they stated. As always, Invest for Tomorrow, your content is educational and love how you invest your time to help anyone willing to learn. For anyone who is thinking about joining a community, 42's Patreon is economical and worth every bit of the small cost of joining. Anyway, thought I'd send out a shout out. Shout out to you. You know exactly who you are. Thank you so much for these kind words and recognizing my efforts. But most importantly, this is what I love the most, what you stated here, how I invest my time to help anyone willing to learn. That's what I do, one video at a time here on the YouTube, one post at a time on the Patreon, and one comment and message at a time on the Discord, guys. And I plan to continue to, and we're going to all learn and grow together. That's awesome. Thank you so much for those kind words. So SKLZ Skillz Inc., guys. SKLZ has actually ran after touching the $12 mark again, giving a nice jump here, right, of about 10 to 20%, almost 30%, as it jumped from $12 all the way to $16 last week. Now, here we are with it actually jumping and being pretty volatile, so we have some points to watch. So the first thing is the 50-day moving average is 1457. Anything above it is bullish. Anything below it is bearish. Now, our support level here is 1466. So this is pretty close to the 50-day moving average, and we want to watch that carefully if the bulls try to reappear between that area, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, if it doesn't get close to those areas, the first support I would watch, just to dissect this to the T, is right here at 1491. Watch how it does there between that support and the next support to see if the bulls try to reappear, or if the bears tear this one down fairly fast. Now, on the other end, we have what the bulls want and what they need to do for this momentum to continue, for them to maintain leverage, stay above the 50-day moving average. They need to break through the first resistance level before this fall, and that is right here at 1567. The bulls need to break through that, turn it into a support to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, pull further away from the 50-day moving average, and continue to maintain leverage and the bullish rally and trajectory that they've started. And this is just consolidation, and that will allow them to extend upwards. But for now, we need to watch these levels closely, the 50-day moving average, to see if any weakness appears, or if the bulls continue to maintain leverage and control here over the chart. Now let's jump into the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning. Both of them turned out to be home runs, as well as the ticker symbol you won't want to miss. You definitely want to have this one on your watch list, especially at these levels, and do your research on what's going on with it moving forward. Stay tuned for all the information. The symbol I have for you guys today is one you won't want to miss. We've already made 10 to 30% swing trading this one before, catching it on weakness, and today it has weakness again, and we won't want to miss this. This is definitely one you want to start watching and keeping on your radar. But before we talk about that, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned today over at the Discord. And if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. We're 130 plus members already, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses, guys. And that's something you can become part of too. So let's talk about this. While the stock market is falling, we're always looking for opportunities and trying to stay in the green or looking for opportunities to make some money while the rest of the market is looking pretty turbulent, right? So ARPO, we started watching it early at 129. CALA, we saw it pretty early and needed more volume, and this was our weakest opportunity of the day, gave us about 3 to 5%. And then we saw SNMP at 107. So let's talk about the home runs of the day, ARPO and SNMP. So let's look at these charts, and you can see here, ARPO, we saw it at 129, ran up about 10%, came back down, and hit a high here of 187, giving a 30 to 40% opportunity on the day, guys. Spectacular run while the stock market is falling. Now, another one here was SNMP. We caught it at 107, pulling back, and within just minutes from the market opening, it gave us a 20% jump, pulled back again, and gave us a 40% opportunity within that full run. Enough room to make that 5 to 10% I look for on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and anything beyond 20% is a home run. Enough room to meet any of those expectations with this run, guys. Now, the ticker symbol I want to share with you guys is one that I've mentioned before. Like I stated, it's being attacked by Hindenburg, and earnings was not as strong as expected. And here we are with Clover Health, guys. Big fall. It started moving upwards. It's been pulling back since 792, and it hit a low here of 660. This is something to watch closely. And the last low that this hit, which is actually something I'm watching, is down here at 629, 630, guys. If that gets broken through, this could go towards the $5 range, the 580s, the 590s, and then we need to rewatch and see what's going on. But right now, Skillz Stock is a stock I'm watching within its weakness for a possible reversal or short squeeze in the near future. That's what I'm looking for. And if neither of those happen, this is an opportunity long term because the company is in the process of growing. They actually have contracts with Medicaid and Medicare, giving it opportunity to get exposure in that market and grow over time. But this is a speculative stock. Do your research, do your due diligence. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on the opportunities I see daily, as well as a stock to add to your watch list, either because the charts are showing opportunity or because of the fact that right now this is in a position where it could go lower or it's at a weakness of a possible reversal. So start doing your due diligence now, doing your research, start watching it, because this may present itself to be an opportunity. If not, I'm looking at this long term, but I started watching it this week. This earnings report was going to be a big deal, and now with this Hindenburg information is making it pull back even quicker than anticipated. We'll have to see if this is the floor or if it can go any further. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.